Toto, finally, a calm day. No lava bridges. No talking trees. No chaos. Blue, nothing but fresh air and peace. Oh, what was that? Toto, they're so cute, wait, they're coming right for US. Blue, those are the sneezing bunnies of Boom Valley. Every sneeze causes a boom. Toto, since when are allergies this dangerous? Blue, they ate rainbow pepper grass. It tickles their noses. Toto, let's bubble wash their noses. Blue, brilliant. Weird, but brilliant. Bunny, thank you for saving us. Take this. It glows when danger comes. Toto, a crystal that glows when danger is near, that's not ominous at all. Snark, defeated by bunnies? This calls for slime. Narrator, cute bunnies, big sneezes, and crystal warnings? What's next for Toto and Blue?